Got a little bit of unusual, interesting kit for you today. I had a customer come in to visit the other day and we were talking about inspecting the inside bore on a metal component. We're looking for scratches and porosity and things like that. Well, I don't get this lens out very often, so I thought I'd keep it out and I'd show it to you as well. This is what's known as a boroscopic probe. It's manufactured by Opto Engineering. As you might have seen in our telecentric video, whenever we're doing weird and wonderful things with lenses, we tend to work with Opto Engineering. This one's designed that it will be inserted into a hole. You take multiple images as you go down. As we go down, you can see we've got the plain bore and then we've got this diffuse ring light going around the lens there. And then when we get down to the bottom, we've got this really shiny dome at the bottom. What happens is as we look at that dome, we start to look out towards the side walls of the hole that we're in a kind of fan shape, looking all the way around in 360 degrees. What I'm going to do is we'll go over to the software so you can see the live image that's coming off of this camera just as we insert that down into the bore. Now, one thing you'll notice as we go down, we're going to get this bright ring appear. Now, hopefully you've seen our video on bright field and dark field illumination. What's happening here is the light, because it's above our dome, everything that's in the top half of our image is in bright field. So it's direct light being reflected to the camera. Anything that's below the kind of halfway mark is in dark field because the light's being reflected away from the camera, except when we've got things like scratches. As I wind that down into our bore, you'll be able to see features that move between the bright field and the dark field. And I'll stop when we get to a good one. There we go. We've got one coming in from the left-hand corner there, bottom left. You can see that this bright scratch here, as we go down, that comes into the bright field, and now it's a dark scratch. And coming from the left-hand side, we've got some defects coming through here. And there we go, you can see them going. So perfect thing for using AI-based tools for finding things like defects and scratches and stuff like that. But the next time someone says, how do I inspect my hole? You know the answer, boroscopic probe.